Meet the ideal burger patty maker, a professional manual machine built for efficient food production. It creates consistent patties in a wide range of shapes, sizes and thicknesses, without weighing every portion, hand shaping, or unnecessary waste. It is suitable for hotels, catering kitchens, restaurants, butcheries, bakeries, food shops, snack outlets, meat processing plants, food factories, and smaller production businesses. Many food businesses face the same challenges: inconsistent portions, slow manual shaping, high labor requirements, and avoidable product waste. The ideal burger patty maker offers a practical solution: uniform results, simple operation, lower labor costs, and a cleaner, more organized production process. Manufactured from food-grade 304 stainless steel, the machine features a heavy-duty, durable construction. Various mold sizes and thickness options are available to suit different products and production requirements. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to operate, clean, and maintain. Whether you run a restaurant, butchery, catering company, or food production facility, this machine can save hours of manual work every day. Increase production speed, improve consistency and product quality, and reduce dependency on skilled hand-forming staff. Proudly built in South Africa, the ideal burger patty maker delivers reliable, consistent results every time.